Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're breaking down a decision every serious entrepreneur faces. Should you build a brand around low-ticket, high-volume offers, or go premium and sell fewer, higher-priced offers? The truth is, both models work. But the best choice for you depends on two things: your brand style and the kind of energy you want to maintain long-term. If you choose low-ticket, high-volume, your business thrives on speed, simplicity, and scale. You're focused on creating offers that are easy to say yes to, like $27 mini courses, $47 bundles, $97 workshops, and you sell them to hundreds, even thousands, of buyers over time. Your marketing style needs to be consistent, visible, and value-driven daily. The advantage of low ticket? Faster audience growth, easier first-time sales, and the ability to build a huge customer base quickly. But it's a volume game. You need attention flowing all the time. You need lead magnets, automated funnels, content pushing consistently. If you choose premium, low volume, your business thrives on depth, personalization, and exclusivity. You're selling higher ticket offers, 500 plus, 1,000 plus, 5,000 plus, to a smaller, highly qualified group. Your marketing style needs to be trust-based, relationship-focused, and proof-driven. The advantage of premium? You need fewer buyers to hit big numbers. One high-ticket client can be worth 20 low-ticket sales. But trust takes longer to build. Premium buyers expect a more refined experience. They're not impulsive. They're intentional. How do you choose? Ask yourself, do I want a fast-paced, energetic brand that plays in volume? Or do I want a deep, high-touch brand that plays in transformation? Neither is wrong. But trying to blend both models at the wrong time leads to scattered energy and confused messaging. You can start with low ticket to build momentum, then layer premium offers later once your brand reputation is strong enough to command higher prices without heavy resistance. Or, if you already have credibility and results, you can lead premium right out of the gate. Final tip: pick a lane based on your energy, your audience's readiness, and your goals. Volume and premium both work, but clarity scales faster than confusion. Own your model, build your momentum, and then expand once the foundation is solid.